Hi cats, welcome back! Today's episode will contain coping mechanisms, confidence boosters, and a whole lot of color. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to turn that notification bell on. Alright, let's get into the video. Lately, I've been reading self-help books and going to therapy to work on myself and break down those barriers that my anxiety has built over the years. If you are struggling with a mental disorder, I hope this video can help you out and give a significant tip in a way to cope with that. This exercise was suggested to me by my therapist, and while I'm still trying to incorporate it into my everyday routine, I planned everything out in my bullet journal and thought I'd share my way of going about this exercise. To start off, I thought about the colors that I wore the most of and made a list all the way down to the least worn color. Then I wrote out some characteristics that I'm lacking in my life and could see benefiting me if I chose to incorporate them. The only thing was, I had to only write down enough characteristics to match up perfectly with the number of colors. No more, no less. I wrote out the characteristics in no particular order, so since my colors were in order, I played a little matching game and chose the most important characteristic to be the color that I wore the most, and continued down the list. And since this is a bullet journal and creativity is key, I chose to draw out little shirts and color them in, followed by writing the characteristic above each of the shirts and the definition of the characteristics below them.
Why don't you just go? Why don't you just go? Go away, little boy. Why don't you just go? Go away, little boy. Why don't you just go?
I'm very happy with the results, and I see this benefiting my happiness and my quality of life immensely, and I highly recommend you try it out. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with somebody that you think would benefit from this. Mental disorders are nothing to be afraid of, and as a society, I feel they should be talked more openly about, and our view on them should be definitely more positive than it is. Because personally, my mental disorder has made me stronger and helped me prove to myself that I can overcome it, and that is a beautiful thing. So if you're looking for ways to prove to yourself that you can cope with this and you can eventually overcome it, but you can't afford therapy or you have other roadblocks in your way, I hope this video can benefit you and you can become the best you can be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
In the world to go round.